Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Git in your Windows step by step. So first of all, you need to go to the browser and you need to search over here Git. Just search for Git, then press enter and you will see this one. Here you can see Git scm.com. So we go over there, just click on Git, and then here you can see download for Windows option. Just click over here, download for Windows. And then it will take you to this page, and here you can see click here to download the latest version. So just click here. Once you click here, there you can see download started over here. So it is around 60 MB. And here you can see the installation is complete. So right now you can just go to the location, and here you can see the exe file. So right now we'll just double click over here, and also just double click, you will see something like this. So here you can see the install option. So here I will click on install. After that it will install the required files for Git. So it may take some time. So I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see installation is done. So right now we can just finish it. So I'll just click on finish, and there you can see it is done. So it will show you something like this, but we can just close this, or let me just minimize it. And after it, we'll just search for over here CMD, then press enter, and then we just zoom in over here, and if you just write over here Git and then press enter, you will see something like this. And if you see something like this, it means Git is properly installed.